Imagine turning on your computer and being greeted by an interface so sleek, so elegant, and so visually stunning that you would swear you were looking at the next generation of operating systems from a billion-dollar tech company. Smooth animations glide across the screen. Transparent panels reflect the colors of your wallpaper. Icons are perfectly designed, and every movement feels intentional and polished. Now imagine discovering that this beautiful system is not some proprietary software locked behind expensive hardware. It is Linux. Yes, the same Linux many people still imagine as a complicated terminal-only system used by programmers and server administrators. For decades, Linux has had the reputation of being powerful, but not necessarily beautiful. But that perception has changed dramatically. Over the years, designers and developers in the open-source community have proven that Linux can be just as stunning, if not more stunning, than any commercial operating system. And today we are looking at what many people consider the most beautiful Linux distribution ever created. A system so polished that first-time viewers often refuse to believe it is actually Linux. When most people think of Linux, they picture lines of text scrolling in a black terminal window, complex commands, and a learning curve that only hardcore tech enthusiasts are willing to climb. That stereotype was partially true many years ago, but modern Linux distributions have evolved far beyond that image. Today, Linux can deliver an experience that is modern, intuitive, and visually breathtaking. The open-source ecosystem allows developers from around the world to collaborate, experiment, and push design boundaries without the limitations that often come with corporate development. This freedom has led to some of the most visually impressive desktop environments ever created. But among all of them, one particular distribution stands out because of its attention to detail, its fluid animations, its minimalistic design philosophy, and the way every component feels like part of a unified artistic vision. The moment you boot into this distribution for the first time, you immediately notice that something feels different. The desktop doesn't just look nice, it feels alive. The animations are subtle yet expressive. Windows glide open rather than abruptly appearing. Panels gently fade into view. The system feels responsive in a way that makes every interaction enjoyable. Even the smallest design elements have clearly been thought through. The icons are crisp and modern. The color palette feels balanced and calming. The fonts are chosen carefully to ensure readability while still looking elegant. Everything works together to create an interface that feels refined and premium. What makes this even more impressive is that Linux distributions often allow users to customize everything, but too much customization can sometimes lead to inconsistency or clutter. This distribution takes a different approach. Instead of overwhelming the user with thousands of options from the beginning, it presents a carefully curated design that simply works. The developers have already made thoughtful decisions about layout, spacing, colors, and animation timing. The result is a desktop environment that feels cohesive, almost like it was designed by a single creative team with a clear vision. That level of polish is something that many people never expected to see in the Linux world. One of the reasons this system stands out so much is its focus on simplicity. Simplicity does not mean lack of features. Instead, it means removing unnecessary complexity. When you look at the interface, nothing feels out of place. There are no distracting elements competing for your attention. The dock sits elegantly at the bottom of the screen, giving you quick access to your most important applications. The top panel provides system information in a clean and minimal format. Notifications slide in gracefully without interrupting your workflow. It feels intuitive even for someone who has never used Linux before. Another aspect that contributes to the beauty of this distribution is its use of animations. Many operating systems include animations, but they often feel like an afterthought. In this system, animations are treated as an essential part of the user experience. They guide your eyes, help you understand what is happening on the screen, and make the desktop feel smooth and responsive. When you switch workspaces, the movement is fluid and satisfying. When you minimize a window, it elegantly shrinks into the dock. These little touches may seem minor individually, but together they create an experience that feels incredibly polished. Of course, a beautiful operating system is not just about appearance. Performance matters just as much. What makes this Linux distribution remarkable is that it manages to deliver both beauty and speed. Despite the smooth animations and visual effects, the system remains lightweight and responsive. Applications open quickly. The desktop rarely feels sluggish. Even on modest hardware, the experience remains fluid. This is one of the advantages of Linux development. Because the system is open source, developers can optimize it in ways that prioritize efficiency while still maintaining visual quality. Another reason many people fall in love with this distribution is its consistency. In many operating systems, third-party applications often look completely different from the system's built-in tools. This can create a fragmented user experience. In contrast, this Linux distribution encourages developers to follow a clear design language. Applications often share similar layouts, icon styles, and interface elements. As a result, the entire system feels unified rather than stitched together from unrelated pieces. That sense of cohesion plays a huge role in making the desktop feel professional and carefully crafted. The installation process also reflects the design philosophy behind this distribution. Instead of presenting a confusing series of technical options, the installer guides the user through the process with a clean and friendly interface. Each step is clearly explained, making it accessible even to people who have never installed an operating system before. Within minutes, you can have a fully functional Linux system ready to use. This approach removes one of the biggest barriers that previously discouraged newcomers from trying Linux. Once you begin exploring the system, you quickly notice that beauty extends beyond the desktop itself. The built-in applications follow the same design principles. The file manager feels simple yet powerful. The settings panel is organized logically, allowing you to adjust system preferences without digging through endless menus. The Software Center provides an easy way to discover and install new applications with just a few clicks. Everything feels designed to reduce friction and make computing more enjoyable. Another reason this distribution often surprises people is how modern it feels compared to traditional perceptions of Linux. Many individuals still believe that Linux looks outdated or overly technical, but when they see this desktop environment in action, their reaction is often disbelief. The smooth transitions, the refined interface, and the elegant design challenge the old stereotype completely. Some viewers even assume it must be a customized version of another operating system, because they simply don't expect Linux to look this good. What makes this achievement even more inspiring is the fact that it comes from the open source community. Unlike massive corporations with huge design departments, many Linux projects are created by relatively small teams of passionate developers and designers. These individuals dedicate countless hours to crafting an experience that they genuinely believe in. Their motivation is not simply profit, but the desire to build something meaningful and share it with the world. That passion often results in creative solutions and attention to detail that rival or even surpass commercial software. Customization also remains a core strength of Linux, and this distribution embraces that while still maintaining its elegant default appearance. If you enjoy tweaking your system, you can modify themes, icons, layouts, and behaviors to suit your preferences. But the key difference is that you don't need to spend hours customizing just to make the system look good. Right out of the box, it already feels polished. Customization becomes an option for creativity rather than a necessity for usability. Another factor that contributes to the growing popularity of this distribution is its community. Linux communities are known for being passionate and supportive, and this one is no exception. Users share themes, extensions, tutorials, and tips that help newcomers get the most out of the system. Online forums and social media groups often showcase screenshots of beautifully customized desktops, inspiring others to experiment with their own setups. This culture of sharing knowledge and creativity helps the distribution evolve continuously. For many people, trying this distribution becomes a turning point in their perception of Linux. They realize that Linux is not just a tool for programmers or server administrators. It can be a daily operating system that feels modern, elegant, and enjoyable to use. Students, creators, developers, and casual users alike discover that they can perform all their usual tasks while enjoying a visually pleasing environment. The broader impact of such beautifully designed Linux distributions goes beyond aesthetics. They play a crucial role in changing public perception of open source software. When someone sees a Linux desktop that looks this refined, it challenges the idea that free software must feel unfinished or inferior. Instead, it demonstrates that open collaboration can produce products that rival the best commercial offerings. Another interesting aspect is how design trends influence each other across operating systems. Over the years, features that originated in Linux environments have inspired changes in other platforms. Likewise, Linux designers often draw inspiration from modern interface trends across the tech industry. This cross-pollination of ideas helps push innovation forward. But the open nature of Linux allows experimentation to happen faster and more freely. As hardware technology continues to advance, Linux developers are finding new ways to enhance visual experiences while maintaining performance. High-resolution displays, improved graphics drivers, and modern compositors allow desktops to look sharper and smoother than ever before. This means the future of beautiful Linux environments is only getting brighter. Many people who switched to this distribution also discover another major advantage of Linux: control. Unlike many proprietary operating systems, Linux gives users the freedom to understand and modify their system. You are not locked into a single ecosystem. You can install software from various sources, customize your workflow, and adapt the system to your needs. This sense of ownership makes the experience even more satisfying. Security and privacy are also strong points. Linux distributions often provide robust security mechanisms and transparent development processes. Users can trust that the system is not secretly collecting unnecessary data. Combined with the elegant interface, this creates a powerful combination of beauty and integrity. Perhaps the most fascinating part of this story is how quickly perceptions can change. Just a decade ago, many people would have laughed at the idea that Linux could be considered the most beautiful desktop platform. Today, screenshots of stunning Linux desktops regularly go viral online. Technology reviewers and content creators showcase these environments in videos that leave viewers amazed. When people finally try it themselves, the reaction is often the same: surprise, followed by excitement. They realize that Linux is not just an alternative operating system. It is a platform capable of delivering an exceptional user experience. And in some cases, it may even feel more thoughtful and refined than the systems they were using before. In the end, the beauty of this Linux distribution is not just about glossy visuals or smooth animations. It represents something deeper: the power of open collaboration and creative freedom. Developers, designers, and enthusiasts around the world came together to build something that challenges expectations and proves that open source can be both functional and breathtaking. So the next time someone says Linux is only for programmers or that it looks outdated, show them this desktop environment. Watch their reaction as they see the elegant interface, the smooth animations, and the refined design. Chances are they will ask the same question many people ask when they see it for the first time: wait, this is Linux? And that moment of disbelief perfectly captures the achievement of the most beautiful Linux distribution ever made.